Hey guys, in this video I'm doing a 5 lug conversion and then also rebuilding some Z32 30mm aluminum brakes and then also mounting new wheels to the car. So what you're going to see throughout this video is multiple clips of me working with the parts, installing them, and then also a before and after and testing the new brakes. So right now I'm washing the calipers to remove any type of debris with a soft bristle brush, preparing them for piston removal. Now everything's set up to remove the pistons from the calipers, and you'll notice that I just have some brake pads in there to catch the pistons so that when they come out they just don't fly out. So I open the calipers, just break the bolts, unbolt them, break them apart, remove the old seals, and prepare them for the new seals. So everything is broken down and laid out. New seals are going in, pistons are going back in, and then you just put it all back together. And in case you hadn't already noticed, I live in a small farm town, so plenty of room just to kind of stretch your legs and have some of these nice shots without anybody messing with you. I guess just the cows, really. And you probably noticed that the wheel gap is terrible, but we're gonna sort that out after I get the wheels rebuilt and new tires on it. Then we'll get the alignment and the fitment just right. The brake upgrade is done. The calipers are on, got new pads, got new rotors, and also some used rotors. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and test and see just how great those new calipers are. Gotta be honest with you, they do bite pretty hard. And well, you'll see. All right guys, and there you have it. The brakes do lock up the tires pretty easy if you slam on the brakes, but there is still a good amount of modulation left, especially with the stock brake booster and brake master cylinder. Not a problem whatsoever for me, and I don't think it'd be really an issue for anyone. Anyhow, that's it for me today. If there's anything else you guys wanted to see, let me know, and I'll see if I can make it work. All right, see you guys in the next one.